Struggling to generate leads for your roofing business? In 2 short weeks, our campaign here that I'm about to show you generated a whopping 22 leads. Want to know how we did it? Keep watching to find out. Hey guys, this is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and as I mentioned, I want to walk you through a case study of a roofing campaign that we are managing for a client. So we have a roofing campaign. We have a $250 per day budget. We have had 22 leads in the last 2 weeks. And then we have been acquiring the leads at $46.03 per lead. And then we have a conversion rate of 16.54%. So pretty awesome. This will get higher over time as we optimize the campaign. So then we have a total cost for the 2 weeks of $1,012.68. And then we are currently running a max conversion TCPA. Typically, when we get over the 15 to 20 conversion mark, we then move it to a TCPA to help us get more leads and keep the CPA down while maximizing the leads. Okay, let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using on this campaign. So we have Atlanta roofers, roofing contractor, roofing in my area, roofer, repair contractor, local roofing company, roofing inspection, roofing installation, roofing replacement. And then these up here are the ones that are driving the majority of the leads in the last couple weeks. And then in each one of these ad groups, what we have are, think about keywords and ads that are closely related to the terms that are listed here. So for instance, Atlanta roofers will have all of the Atlanta roofers keywords and ads that will be closely related to this term inside of this ad group. And that helps to control the narrative of what the consumer is searching for and what they're presented ad-wise. It helps to increase the click-through rate. Let's take a look at the keywords that we're using. Let's take a look at the keywords that we're using for this campaign. So we have both exact match and phrase match. So we have roofing contractors Atlanta, best roofing contractors, roofing companies in the area, roofing repair contractor, best local roofers, roof inspection, roof inspections. And then these up here are the ones that are driving the majority of the conversions here. So we have exact match and phrase match. So exact match means that whatever the consumer is searching, in order for the ad to pop up for them, they have to pretty much search for exactly this keyword. And then phrase match, this means that whatever the consumer searches for, best roofing contractors has to consist inside of that phrase. Otherwise, it will not show up on there. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, please comment below and we'll be happy to answer those. Also, be sure to check out any of our other videos that could be very helpful to you. Other than that, have a wonderful day.